Hello, I'm excited to show you something that's going to transform how you create social media content. Today, we're walking through the VSG Workflow 01, an intelligent automation system that generates 6 unique, professional social media posts every single week. 3 for Instagram, 3 for LinkedIn, all customized for each platform with AI-generated images, and it does this completely automatically. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand exactly how this workflow thinks, creates, and delivers content that sounds human, looks professional, and drives real engagement. Let's dive in. Before we get into the technical details, let me paint the picture of what this workflow accomplishes. Every Sunday at 6 p.m., this workflow wakes up automatically. Over the next 3 to 4 minutes, it will. First, gather the latest AI and technology news from 4 premium sources. Second, use advanced AI to generate 6 unique content ideas based on that news. Third, distribute those ideas, forcing 3 to Instagram and 3 to LinkedIn. No randomness, guaranteed split. Fourth, generate platform-specific captions. Instagram gets casual, emoji-rich, engaging content. LinkedIn gets professional, strategic, thought leadership content. Fifth, create 6 unique images using DALL-E 3, tailored to each platform's aesthetic. And finally, save everything to Google Sheets, trigger an approval workflow, and send you a beautiful email with all 6 posts ready to review. All of this happens while you're having Sunday dinner. No manual work, no switching between apps, no writer's block. Now let's see how it actually works. The workflow starts with 2 triggers. There's a weekly schedule trigger that fires every Sunday at 6 p.m. That's your production schedule. But there's also a manual trigger, which is crucial during setup and testing. You can click at any time to see the workflow run immediately. Right after the trigger, we hit the Set Config node. This is your control panel. It defines the Google Sheet ID, where your content lives, the sheet name, content queue, where post gets saved, your N8 in-instance URL for the approval webhooks, and your company details that get embedded in every post. Think of this as the DNA of your content system. Set it once, and every post inherits these settings automatically. Now here's where it gets interesting. The workflow doesn't create content in a vacuum. It's informed by real-world news. We connect to 4 premium RSS feeds simultaneously. TechCrunch AI for breaking artificial intelligence news. The Verge for mainstream technology coverage. MIT Technology Review for deep, research-backed insights. And Harvard Business Review for strategic business perspectives. These 4 feeds run in parallel. That's important for speed. Then they merge into a single stream. And here's the magic. A filter and clean node analyzes all the articles, removes duplicates, checks for relevance, and keeps only the most impactful stories from the last 48 hours. So when we generate content ideas, they're not random. They're anchored in real news that your audience is already seeing. That's what makes the content feel timely and relevant. Now we reach the first AI agent. This is powered by Claude Sonnet 4, one of the most advanced language models available. The prompt is sophisticated. It tells Claude, "You are a social media content strategist for Visionary Solutions Group. Your audience is small to mid-sized business owners aged 35 to 55 who are curious about AI but cautious about implementation." Then it provides the filtered news articles and says, "Generate exactly 6 content topics that will resonate with this audience. Make them practical, not hype-driven. Focus on business value, not technical complexity." Claude analyzes the news, understands the audience psychology, and creates 6 unique topics. Each topic includes a compelling title, a content angle. Is this educational, inspirational, or tactical? A target emotion. Should this make people curious, confident, or relieved? A business value proposition. And suggested content pillars like AI adoption, cost reduction, or automation. The AI doesn't just generate random topics. It's thinking strategically about what will drive engagement, what will provide value, and what will position VSG as a trusted authority. This takes about 30 seconds. 30 seconds to replace hours of brainstorming meetings. The AI has given us 6 topics. Now we need to structure them for execution. The parse and schedule topics. Node does something critical. It takes those 6 topics and applies forced platform distribution. Topic 1, Instagram, scheduled Monday at 10 a.m. Topic 2. Instagram, scheduled Wednesday at noon. Topic 3. Instagram, scheduled Friday at 6 p.m. Topic 4. LinkedIn, scheduled Tuesday at 8 a.m. Topic 5. LinkedIn, scheduled Thursday at 10 a.m. Topic 6. LinkedIn, scheduled Saturday at 9 a.m. Notice what just happened. We didn't let the AI choose platforms randomly. We forced a 3-3 split. This is intentional. Instagram needs consistency. 3 posts per week keeps your audience engaged. LinkedIn needs regular thought leadership. 3 strategic posts per week positions you as an expert. The node also generates unique post IDs, adds timestamps, assigns the weekly date range, and attaches all the metadata needed for downstream processing. This is where 6 raw ideas become 6 structured content assignments. Now comes the second AI agent, AI Agent 1, and this is where the magic of personalization happens. This agent receives each of the 6 posts one at a time. For each post, it sees the topic title and angle, the target emotion, the platform, Instagram or LinkedIn, the scheduled day and time, and the business value proposition. But here's what makes this special. The prompt has 7,000 characters of platform-specific writing guidelines. For LinkedIn, it instructs, write for mid-sized business owners. Be authoritative but not arrogant. Use strategic line breaks 1 sentence per line for emphasis. Include bullet points with arrows, inside impact. Add. The VSG Workflow 01 is an efficient, automated, and intelligent system that transforms social media content creation. It saves time, ensures content relevance, and significantly enhances engagement. Explore VSG Workflow 01 today to transform your social media content strategy.